Hi everyone, welcome back to our Knowledge channel. Today's video is all about Notepad++. And in order to demonstrate the example, how we can use for different software, I have used HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. And this, you all know the basic HTML and this closing out. And I'm using the tag called marquee. This syntax will help me to run the text from the left to right. And this is the content I have. And sometime I have also added a sentence called if your notepad plus plus does not contain the launch to browser option. Like generally in the in the run, you will have a different browser where you can run it through different browser. If it doesn't have, no problem. There is a way out. All you need to do is you need to first save the file. I'm going to do now. Save the file as .htm dot. Okay, let me do that. So simple. This is the content you have. Any content you can customize it. This is the content you have. All you need to do is go to file and save as. Okay, maybe I can use it like knowledge and dot ht. The extension should be htm dot. Okay, and have a save it. So now this has been saved, right? So I will go to my download and yeah, I'm going to my download, and now this has been this browser. I mean, this is been because I'm using the common browser called Chrome, and this has been there, and I'm opening up. Let's see the output. You can see that output is welcome to Abla Knowledge channel. Today's video is all about, since I have used Marquee, this is what it is running. So today's video is all about Notepad++, and whatever the content which I typed there, it is coming. Let's say that you wanted to make a change. Yeah, maybe I will close another window. You wanted to make a change, like come back to this one, and then you can do anything. Let's say I hope this video is helpful, serve the purpose, and do like come on, share and subscribe if not done yet. Yeah, so this is the one. All I had to do is I had to save this one and go back to the browser. There are two ways. You can just have a click one more time, or if you already opened the browser, you can just click on it. I'm just click on this one. You can see here the output is coming up. Welcome to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's video is all about Notepad++. And if your Notepad++ does not contain the launch to browser option, first save the file as htm dot. Hope these video serve the purpose. Do like, share, subscribe if not done yet. So this is the interesting video, right? So like this, not only HTML, C language, C++, Java, and MATLAB, all these can be used with the help of Notepad++, and you can simply type it and it's